In recent years, the Chelsea boots have become a must-have or an essential in your wardrobe. Today in this video, I'm gonna unbox Chelsea boots by Zara. Chelsea boots bridges the gap between formals and casuals pretty well. They can be dressed up or down. Goes well with jeans as well as trousers. High street fashion brand like Zara make Chelsea boots pretty often, so I'm gonna unbox one of those for you. And gentlemen, before we go ahead, if the classic dandy adds sartorial values to your life, make sure to subscribe to it. So here they are. I bought these online in Dubai. These cost me around 280 dirhams, roughly around 5,500 rupees. Comes in nice packaging as you can see, so let's go and unfold. So here it is. Comes in a nice cotton bag which has a branding of Zara as you can see. So they look pretty decent. According to the description, the upper is cow leather, which is soft. The sole is polyurethane. And the best part is that it is nice and tall. The shape is pretty good, I would say. The important thing here, gentlemen, is the opening of the boot. The opening should be snug. It shouldn't be too loose or too tight. Should fit you well, because the trousers should not bunch up. So let's go ahead and check out the 3 outfits with this Chelsea boot. Monochrome. Monochrome does not mean monotonous. You have boots to make it look interesting. Pair these black bad boys with similar monochrome outfits. Here I have light grey sport coat by Zara with some dark grey tailored trousers and medium grey waistcoat by H&M. Black shoes goes really well with grey and hence proved. Black on black. How can you skip Chelsea boots with t-shirt and jeans? Black slim jeans and a crew neck t-shirt will not only look dapper but will also hide any flaws if you have. Here I have black jeans by American Eagle and black t-shirt by New Yorker. This look is great for clubbing and night outs. If you have chilly evenings, just throw on a leather jacket. To find more about leather jacket, click on this I button right here. Simple shirt and a pair of trousers also goes a long way. A simple doesn't really mean it can't be sharp. Make sure the shirt and trousers fits you well. Here are some pleated trousers with a simple crisp white shirt. The Chelsea boots in this case is a good example on how you could pair black with brown. The slim profile of the shoe really complements the trousers in this case. Do leave me comments on what you feel about this look. So that was the unboxing video of Chelsea boots by Zara. In my opinion, they are pretty decent for their price point. If you're someone who's looking for leather Chelsea boots in the range of 5,000 to 6,000 rupees, then these are a steal for you. And let me know in comments if you feel the same and what else would you like to watch on the Classic Dandy. The Classic Dandy is present on every major social networking platform. So do check out my socials and follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook and on TikTok. Also, make sure to check out my reels every Wednesday on Instagram. The Classic Dandy is an endeavor to make men's fashion more accessible and practical. So if you're someone who's new to the channel, do check out my previous videos right here in the I button and subscribe to it and hit that bell icon so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you.